Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel called Scarabyte, and today we will discuss how to stream from OBS Studio, so Open Broadcast Studio. So I have version 27.1.3, and firstly, if you will stream games, like disable the preview, because it get a lot of CPU, and CPU is important for games. So yes, it's take a lot of energy from your computer. So here we have some interface, and let's discuss together what is this. So it's like sources. You can add new source, for example, I don't know, window capture, and select some window, like yes. Okay. But I don't need it right now. So if you want to do something, for example, the game, you put here, and I don't know, a game capture, or for example, text. Text, like put here, and you can write something, and it will appear on your screen. Yeah, I don't need it. Cancel, and delete. So right now, it's mic, and we can like do more volume or less if you want. And here, like, start streaming, stop recording, start video camera, studio mode settings, and exit. So okay, let's go to the settings, like general. I recommend use the theme agree. It's take less CPU, but you can um, you can put whatever you want. So stream, it's important thing. You can like put YouTube RTMPS, and use stream key advanced. So you should to copy this key from here and paste here. It's really important. If you don't do this, you won't stream. So you can stream, but your stream won't appear in YouTube. So output, I recommend you to put 6K key bitrate, and presets quality. If you will stream some games, I don't know, quality is really important. Audio. So desktop audio, you can choose your headphones, and microphone, you choose your microphone. Nothing special, and I think it's you can understand this. So base resolution and output resolution, it's you here it's important. Here you should take a resolution what you have in your screen, and here what you want to output, what you want to show. I have this resolution, and also I put here. So FPS values, I recommend you to put 60 FPS if you will stream game. Hotkeys is for me, start and stop recording, like F8 and F10, and pause recording like F9. Advanced settings and stream delay, you can put delay also here, not only in your chat. You can enable if you play some important game, for example in Counter-Strike, you can enable stream delay, and automatically reconnect if something went back with your connection, like enable this, and OBS will automatically reconnect. I think I told you everything. Thank you very much for watching. You were on channel called Scrabyte, and see you soon. Bye bye.